it has never claimed to be the legitimate representative of the Eritrean people. It's not a legitimate representative of the Eritrean people. The Eritrean people can speak for themselves. The EPLF was there to fight for the right to self-determination and liberation of this country. It has accomplished the task militarily. It's prepared to accomplish the task politically, and its mandate will be finished once a referendum is held in this country. One wouldn't be in a position to blame anyone, neither the government here or the transitional government in Ethiopia, to be effective governments technically after a very long and exhaustive war. We need time. We don't have the resources. We're basically living on relief food.